guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tina and I'm going to do a really quick one shadow look using my Smashbox palette. Well, alright, so it's going to technically be two shadows because I'm going to use this Wet n Wild shadow and I'm just going to put that all over my lid. And then I'm going to go into my Smashbox Ablaze palette. I love this palette. The colors in here are just stunning. And I'm going to only take one color out of here, which is going to be this Burnt Orange right there. I think it's just a beautiful, beautiful orange matte. And first I'm going to take a big brush and I'm just going to blend that into my crease and the outer corner, using a great big brush. And then I'm going to take a clean brush, another blending brush, and I'm just going to blend that like crazy. Okay, so now it's blended out into pretty much just, you know, faded out really well, you know what I mean? Hopefully. And now I'm going to take a much smaller blending brush. This one is by Maughan, and I'm going to pick up some more of that. And I'm just going to really put it over here into this outer corner and then really just define certain areas of my eye. Making sure I'm keeping that color built up in this outer corner over here. And I'm once again taking a clean brush and I'm just blending it on the outer edges, but leaving it dark on the corner and in my crease. Then I'm just going to take the little bit of residue that's on this brush and bring it into the corner, and that is it. Now to finish up this look, I'll use a little bit of highlight and taking another fluffy brush. This one's also by Maughan. I'm just going to come up here into my brow bone, which my brows aren't done, but that doesn't really matter right now, and put a little on the inner corner. And then I will take another small brush and bring that same color under my eye, and then just use my finger to smudge it inward. And that's it. You're gonna see my finished look with this in just a minute. Okay, so this is my finished look. This is just a one shadow look. As you can see, I haven't put on any other eyeshadows. Just added some eyeliner, mascara, and lipstick and everything. I finished up my makeup for it. It's super easy to use just one shadow to create a stunning look. It's a lot less work, and as you can see, it turns out beautifully. Just need to use different kinds of brushes to create different effects. And give it a shot and let me know if you've tried any one shadow looks. I'm going to do a series of different colors and different kinds of eyeshadows to create one shadow looks. They're going to be very quick videos, so let me know what you think. And if you've tried these, I'd love to hear from you. Talk to you later. Bye!